As the sun was rising on the 4th of April, days and weeks and years have been bypassing. I was stuck in this, not being too faithful, so young and dumb, I never learned.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you my go-to makeup look, and it's very simple because I don't prefer heavy makeup for everyday look. It's very simple, basic things I needed for that, and so let's get started. So first of all, I wash my face with face wash.
Mama told me you should never play with the heart. Maybe I should told you this right from the very start. Baby, I was
First, I am using this aloe vera cream. I don't use primer for everyday makeup. I only use primer for only heavy makeup. So for usually I prefer this aloe vera cream.
tired of you playing my broken heart. Now it's you that want to restart. But I am so done with our path. I don't want to be your half. No more time for laughs, never ending broken hearts. I'll keep working hard through the dawn and through.
Now I am using this Body Shop honey and lemon. This one you can buy this any Body Shop shop. Yeah, it's very long lasting and smell it's very good.
Someday I will see us apart. So done with our path. I don't want to be your half. No more time for laughs, never.
I am using this Garnier sunscreen, which is 50 plus SPF, and just one drop. With that I am using this MAC foundation, just one drop. I prefer actually very light makeup for my everyday look, and this much only, and I am just mix.
Never-ending broken hearts. I'll keep working hard through the dawn and through the dark. Someday I will see us apart.
You can use brushes or blender also, but I prefer always hand. Now I am using this concealer. It's vitamin and aloe vera, and this one from PH My Perfect Color.
You were always on your phone. I thought I can't do this no more. This was a goddamn war, and my body was
So now for blending I am using this brush and just use like this carefully.
First time we were standing on the same side, and I tried and tried. I will never be close to you again. I will never touch your hands again. I will never lay by you another night, 'cause I've been moving on. I will.
So for contouring I am using this one. I bought it from here. I don't know it's available in India. So this one.
Never be close to you again. I will never touch your hands again. I will never lay by you another night, 'cause I've been moving on. So done with our path. I don't want to be your half. No more time for laughs, never ending broken hearts. I'll keep working hard through the dawn and through the dark. Someday
So now I am using some loose powder, this one from same brand.
I will never be close to you again. I will never touch your hands again. I will never play by you another night, 'cause I've been moving on. So done with our path. I don't want to be your half. No more time for
Because I am wearing this blue color, so I prefer this one a little bit. I am using on the corner. For drawing my eyebrows, I am using this dark brown color.
done with our path. I don't want to be your half. No more time for laughs. Never ending broken hearts. I'll keep working hard through the dawn and through the dark. Someday I will see us apart.
So I will draw my eyes with this blue palette, blue kajal, and this one from NYX Professional Makeup. You can see this, yeah.
Young and dumb, I never learned it. Mama told me you should never play with the heart. Maybe I should told you this right from the very start. Baby, I was tired of you playing my broken heart. Now it's you that want to restart. But I am so done with our path. I don't want to be your half.
So last I am using mascara, which is from same brand.
No more time for laughs, never ending broken hearts. I'll keep working hard through the dawn and through the dark. Someday I will see us apart.
So it's blush time, and I am using this palette from Catrice Cosmetics.
I'll keep working hard through the dawn and through the dark. Someday I will see us apart.
For the under eye, I am using little bit of black color and just draw it on this portion. So now it's time for lipstick, and I am using same brand.
You were always on your phone. I thought I can't do this no more. This was a goddamn war.
So you can see my look, and it's done. So hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel. So I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye.